Welcome to Cricket's episode number 51.
It is
Johnny Bairstow. For
Johnny do 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 Johnny do 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 do.
ये उन लोग गाते हैं राइट उनके बारहवीं आर्मी
पता नहीं हाँ गा रहे हैं क्या?
आई एम श्योर
Try होगा।
कुछ ना कुछ होगा
हाँ।
बट वी हैव टू गो विद जॉनी बिकॉज इंडिया का कोई मेन 51 पे आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी 51 जर्सी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर
India
इन माय
jersey,
रिसर्च आई कुडंट
number
फाइंड
cricket.
कोई है
Amar Singh.
अमर सिंह
That guy. who's-
अमिताभ का दोस्त
अमिताभ हाँ Anand. Anil
राज्यसभा मेंबर फॉर्मर आई मीन ही इज नो मोर बट
He's no more.
yeah Amar Singh is no
Oh
more
shit.
sorry to bring that up on this cricket podcast
51 is
but
no more.
Amar
guys.
Singh the cricketer also I think बहुत पहले के हैं
बहुत पहले
is
का
he
ही
also
होगा।
around
I don't think so. एक second. Who is Amar Singh, dude? ऐसा तो
let
कभी-
us know in comments if you know Amar Singh the cricketer
Oh
he's from
dude, black and white में photo
black
आ
and
रही
white
है।
era
हाँ
okay.
1940 में तो मर गया अमर सिंह।
क्या मर गया है
हाँ मतलब 1910 to 1940 में what?
oh shit
29 की उम्र में मर गया?
कुछ तो
रुक
खराब
जा
हुआ
पढ़ना पड़े। I think guys don't name your child अमर सिंह।
or it could be oh shit but it could have been कुछ partition के fight में नहीं 40 में मर गया
1940 pre World War।
oh I didn't know they had jersey numbers back then also.
yeah,
I
actually.
thought it was just like तुम कुछ
Born
भी
in
पहन के आ
Rajkot,
जाओ
died in Jamnagar।
जहाँ पे एक नया एम्पायर स्टार्ट हो गया है अभी
हाँ at Lords in 1936 he claimed 4 for 10 in the first 9 overs
Whoa, that's amazing.
and overall 6 for 35 from his 5.1 but
Dude,
no
that
name
is-
on the Lords honors board because 5 wicket haul नहीं आया यार ये मेरे को बहुत irritate
Wait,
होता है
what? कितना लिया फाइनली
4 for 10
हाँ.
and overall 6
Overall
तो 5
six,
मेरे को ये
yeah.
नहीं समझ में आता
हाँ.
यार 5 wicket is 50%
Yeah.
and you have to get 50% of the wickets
Yeah, the
only
level
then
of again bowlers treated like crap. How much do you think 4 wicket haul में डाल
4
देना
में भी हो
चाहिए?
जाना चाहिए मतलब अगर देख एवरेज तो पकड़ एक कोई 100 मारते हैं और 300
हाँ.
का स्कोर जा रहा है
हाँ.
तो 33.3% ठीक है अप्रॉक्स
ठीक है
तो एटलीस्ट चल
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बॉलर का एक
हाँ.
तो बहुत सारे रूल चेंज हुए जो हम लोग को
हाँ.
डिस्कस करने हैं
यस यस
अंतरिक्ष ने भेजे जो हमें ये पता नहीं
अंतरिक्ष
कौन सा तो
जिसको
बॉलीवुड
अगर-
न्यूज देख रहा था
जिसको पुराने रूल्स पता भी नहीं है उसने नए रूल्स भेज दिए हमें ठीक है हाँ तो
4 wicket
हाँ
haul.
4 wicket haul
Yeah.
अभी T20 में if they start putting honors board I think
2 wicket haul.
और maiden over में डालना चाहिए
हाँ.
that's the ultimate
Yeah.
achievement
Yeah,
maiden
that-
over is like unheard of
Yeah, that's true actually.
Yeah.
Guys, BCCI now that you are in the process of changing rules,
yes
we should just do that as well.
honors board in IPL for every maiden over
Yeah.
ठीक है
And
and you can
overall-
ये plant trees also वो भी continue करो which
No,
I'm
no,
sure you are
I-
doing
my
India
prob-
एकदम भर गया अभी have you seen with
यारे देखना
पेड़?
नहीं है बाहर
भाई it's
क्या सांस ले रहे तेरे को साइनस इशू
हाँ
थोड़ी
भाई,
है
मैं
भाई
मेरे फेफड़े एकदम दुनिया के फेफड़े यहाँ आ गए
I'm
तो
very-
मैं भी क्लीन हो गया अंदर से अभी
but I'm very anti that rule
क्या
of planting trees
Why?
on dot balls
क्यों
because when you hit a 6 or a 4
हाँ
they cut to hot girls so I'm like I don't want to see trees man I want to see the girls so
Oh, I
I'm
think-
anti environment
I think to add to the drama it
हाँ.
should be कि you every dot ball पे तुम you plant a tree
yeah
but every 6 पे you chop one down
oh yeah that's
ठीक है
ah.
then there is some drama now like what how many trees will survive how many will be born
Yeah, and who is the biggest?
Yeah.
Why is Andre Russell such a climate change denier?
batsmen are deforesters
Yeah.
and bowlers are aforesters
उसका भी apparently there's some scam.
या अरे स्कैम तो
Scam.
भाई ये सब CSR है ना कॉर्पोरेट सोशल
सब
रिस्पांसिबिलिटी
कुछ
ऐसे ही पूरा
scam,
करते हैं
bye.
यू नो ना
Corporate scam responsibility.
तुझे पता है ना कैसे करते हैं CSR बड़ी
नहीं।
कंपनीज देयर आर
मुझे कुछ
पीपल
नहीं
हुज
पता।
जॉब इज दे ग्रो ट्रीज
हाँ.
एंड देन दे you can buy a patch of land and claim that your company is growing those trees
हाँ.
so it just gives someone money and say we are taking care of these trees
Oh.
so I mean technically they are but also this like they're not putting the effort
हाँ.
it's just like we know a guy who's going to
हाँ.
plant some trees
Okay.
so it's a business talking to another business
What
and
the
fulfilling
fuck?
their corporate social responsibilities
ठीक है.
कार्बन
चलेगा.
कार्बन ऑफसेट कर देते हैं हम लोग हमारा कार्बन नेगेटिव कंपनी है
अरे bullshit.
हो ही नहीं
dude.
सकता।
कुछ नहीं हम लोग का बाहर ऐसा क्यों इतना गंदा है फिर
हाँ
सब?
भाई यहाँ पे तो कार्बन बहुत पॉजिटिव है
ओए.
कार्बन मोबाइल्स भी है हमारे देश में कार्बन मोबाइल्स है ना एक
कार्बन
कंपनी
मोबाइल हाँ
बंद हो गया है
KARBON था ना
Yeah.
कार्बन मोबाइल्स
when all those Raddi phone companies
Yeah.
came one after the other
या
some have
कार्बन वाज
survived.
वन इनफैक्ट IPL में भी था कार्बन
Carbon,
कहीं पे
Vivo
वी
Oppo.
Minimax,
The hell.
Minimax, right?
Minimax V, I
Nahin,
think.
was it Minimax? No, what is that company called? It's still there.
There was
Micromax.
Micromax.
Micromax, sorry.
Oh, wow, dude.
Micro Mini.
You remember all these phones? I have
Yeah, Micromax, Vivo, Carbon. One more, like Vivo, there was one more. Shit, uska. HTC is
तो is like
the
a-
Chinese.
matlab
big
it's like they
company.
make other
But
things
but
also.
these are like
I mean, these are also Chinese only.
These are also Chinese. Oppo.
Oppo
Yeah, sorry.
is also,
Oppo's survived. Oppo's doing
Oppo
really
is
well.
huge. Oppo is like fucking sponsored. Like, so I went to Wimbledon in 2019 for the
It's
tour. It sponsored Wimbledon. वो side में
क्या
Rolex
बोल रहा है
लिखा
dude?
रहता है ना. And Wimbledon is very like
yeah,
posh. They will not even like, even if you have the money,
Yeah.
but they will not allow you.
So Oppo has made that leap
Oppo
into.
still got it. So that lady who was giving the tour,
Uh.
it's like those members, old fucking British lady.
Yeah, yeah.
She was so mad.
Yeah?
She's like, this year we got Oppo because they must have given
Oh
fuck
yeah,
you money.
They only want to see Rolex and Prada and
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, Uniqlo is also like yuck for them, huh?
Yeah. Really? Was it always, or were they acquired one by one? I'm assuming. Yeah, that's what. All these things, that boom comes and then someone buys the same thing is happening with betting apps now. I mean
it's all-
sports apps. If sorry, betting nahi.
Yes.
वो betting तो there is no such thing as betting.
Yeah.
So abhi Dream 11 will one by one buy
Buy
everything
everyone
out. You
out,
can
yeah.
see many are fading away.
Hmm.
That one time My 11 Circle or Dream 11 or there were 5-6.
And they'll also buy to show losses, no, somewhere or the other.
अरे कंपनी का अभी हमें पता ही है गेम.
Cricket scam.
हाँ
Scam.
IPL क्या है? IPL पूरा है क्यों?
भाई सब एक दूसरे का लॉस दिखाने के लिए
एक हाथ से दूसरे हाथ पैसा फेंको.
फुल बेटर
लॉस
कॉल
तो दिखाया हमने स्क्रीन पे ही देख लिया मुंबई इंडियंस का लॉस. लॉस ऑन फील्ड इज ओके बट लॉस
Better
ऑफ
call-
फील्ड इज द प्रॉब्लम.
बेटर कॉल जय.
तो सॉरी हम लोग as we recording this probably day 1 of the
Yeah, we
second
are
test is
recording
done.
morning of day 1 test of,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what,
Edgbaston.
Edgbaston, day 1 before the test match. Then evening there's Australia versus West Indies.
Second test.
Second test, which first test was crazy.
अच्छा.
Like crazy in the sense शामार जोसेफ के बहुत सारे catches छूट गए.
हाँ.
ठीक है. And
अच्छा उनके साथ भी हो रहा है ये.
स्टार्क ने ठोक दिया उनको गंदा. हाँ उनके साथ बहुत गंदा हुआ. मतलब शामार जोसेफ डाल के थक गया कि भाई पकड़ तो लो कम से कम कभी.
मुझे कुछ पता नहीं अभी इस मैच के बारे में. तू
अरे-
बता वो मेन है क्या?
वो मेन है भाई. शामार जोसेफ पे बाय द वे अभी एलिगेशंस आए हैं बहुत ही खतरनाक वाले
Oh,
11-12 लड़कियों से.
Oh.
एक अलग 11 बना है
अरे वाह.
along with substitutes
अरे
against
shit.
शामार जोसेफ.
तो मतलब वो बहुत ही घटिया टाइप का इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर है.
हाँ या सो
ठीक
दैट
है,
इज
हाँ.
हैपनिंग. और मैंने फैन कोड पे 99 रुपीस भर के पूरा सीरीज का मैंने
क्या बोल
ये
रहा है
लिया
तू?
हुआ है. और 25 रुपया भर के मैंने जिम्बाब्वे वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका भी लिया है.
Oh, you are the one.
आया
If Fangod is watching, your Zimbabwe one client is here.
25 रुपीस
Zimbabwe versus?
साउथ अफ्रीका.
Oh,
I
let me
just-
guess who won that match.
Dude, by the way, Zimbabwe first innings was like they took South Africa 64 for 4 or something in the first innings, and then that Pretorius or some
हाँ,
new guy
हाँ.
scored a century.
उन लोग का भाई हैंगओवर चल रहा है अभी भी. They are
हाँ.
not playing properly. South Africa.
Yeah, they
हाँ.
these guys
This is
are not
second
playing
string
only.
team, right?
हाँ, yeah,
Yeah,
second string, but then they played, and then Zimbabwe में I think captain made a century,
अच्छा.
and then third inning में तो उन लोगों ने पता नहीं
कौन है
400
अभी
plus.
जिम्बाब्वे का कैप्टन?
जिम्बाब्वे का कैप्टन वही क्रेग कुछ है ना. एक सेकंड रुक जा मैं बताता हूँ.
मेरे को कुछ
क्रेग
इतने
कुछ तो-
डेकेड्स पास हो गए since I've
बट उनके
followed.
प्लेयर्स अभी भी मैं तेरे को नाम बताऊंगा तो you'll know them. Like wait, I'll tell you.
Like they don't come to the IPL at all, right?
Craig Irwin. Craig Irwin. Is the
Craig
captain.
Irwin has been.
Sean Williams scored the century.
Why don't they come to IPL?
No one's buying them.
Sad.
Then they have this player also who's old. Madhi Vier.
No.
Madhevere.
नहीं मैं बहुत कट
Then
ऑफ हो गया.
Wellington Mazakadza.
हाँ या
is still
वेलिंगटन
there.
Masakadza is तो famous.
And Blessing
Blessing.
Mutharabani is also there.
Blessing is still around.
So the core team is still there.
Core team is still there.
Their Bumrah is still there.
But this reminds me कि हम लास्ट इंडिया कब खेले जिम्बाब्वे को? खेलते ही नहीं.
खेले थे
right?
हम. I think last year खेले थे.
Oh,
जब
we
ये-
लक्ष्मण के डिसाइड मतलब
हाँ,
when he
लक्ष्मण
was
के साथ I
he'll
think
be
अभिषेक
coach.
शर्मा वो सब को लेके गए थे.
Oh,
T20
yes,
खेले
yes,
थे I
yes,
think
yes, yes, I
last year.
remember, yeah.
Man, I am so happy right now, dude. The amount of joy I get in watching. I'm Sri Lanka, Bangladesh.
अरे
Test
बाप रे
is all-
बाप रे बाप.
Guy,
Test
ask me,
season.
I am so, dude. I get a purpose in life. which is over. Sri Lanka, Bangladesh is over.
Your purpose in
yeah,
life is Sri Lanka, Bangladesh.
is like my purpose is just like I get so much like I'm so happy when test matches are on, even if it's a crappy test. It's
Yeah.
just on in the fucking background.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
There is no other podcast which is about cricket. And in this day and age, हमने 10-15 मिनट बात किया होगा. हमने इंडिया वर्सेस इंग्लैंड को साइडलाइन किया है.
yes.
Being Indian podcast,
yeah.
no one is doing this. ये हमारा great cricketer and also they'll start with the big hits, talk about the big teams, and then last 2 minutes में they'll be like, yeah, Zimbabwe also played, mate.
We are not
Chase.
into clickbait, you know. We
Yeah,
are true
bro,
cricket
we
fans.
are going to the core of the game, you know.
to the code, to the
when-
fan code of the
yeah,
game.
this is for those who really love the game because no other reason to watch these
Dude, buying
games.
a fan code membership feels like you're on the dark web.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
you're
yeah.
buying some
Even
drugs,
that the
illicit
interface,
pornography.
the interface only you can see like this whole thing is run by 3 people. You can
Yeah.
see कि एक बंदा नहीं आया एक दिन तो उस दिन fan code बोलेगा sorry today we are not
Yeah,
operation.
टोल फ्री नंबर भी नहीं, इंसान का नंबर देते हैं.
You
किससे
can
पूछ
just
लो
talk
भाई,
to-
वो स्कोर बताएगा. अरे
Talk to
यार.
Rajesh in case stream stops. एक राजेश बटन रहता है उधर,
हाँ.
राजेश को contact करो. You know that chatbot वो राजेश है
Rajesh,
direct.
yeah.
There's only one guy.
125 rupees I've paid them this month.
In
for-
fact, the chatbot checks directly with you. Hey, how is it going? Are you enjoying so far?
Are you watching this match?
हाँ, because एक ही client है.
And but sorry, I don't know why, but I'm so excited to discuss Sri Lanka versus Bangladesh was on Sony Live, which is
Oh.
still the worst app. It's
Oh,
still
yeah,
way
yeah, yeah.
worse than Fancode.
Yeah.
Fancode seems like Apple in comparison.
The font is still the same क्या buttons के वहाँ पे वो Times New Roman font में
Yeah,
लगते हैं
it's-
buttons with serifs and all. आजकल
हाँ.
किसके पास रहता है ऐसे font?
बहुत
It
ही-
feels like you're watching something in the past.
Yeah, it feels like उन लोग ने मेरे को टीवी का केबल टीवी का उनका वो मुझे नॉस्टैल्जिया
But
फील
maybe
होता
वही
है.
है उनका एक गेम भाई. They want you to feel nostalgia.
और-
थोड़ा बीच में स्ट्रीम अगर ऐसे फुटेज भी रोल हो जाए ना
हाँ,
ऐसे
colour
like
बाहर आ जाए
दूरदर्शन,
बीच
हाँ,
में,
हाँ,
हाँ.
हाँ. और फिर वो सारे कलर्स आ जाए एक बार स्क्रीन पे टू
हाँ.
साउंड के साथ और फिर वाइट नॉइज आ जाए.
Yeah.
दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. बट फैन कोड पे जब देखता है
Hmm.
तो टेल मी टॉप राइट कॉर्नर में दिखाता है हाउ मेनी पीपल व्यूइंग.
I'll have to check. I don't
Because I
think
doubt they would.
शर्मनाक.
That would be a single digit number. You
Yeah,
can-
because that would put a question on my existence.
that's
I don't fucking want that. I want to watch.
Congratulations, you are the first viewer.
Yeah, you're the only one watching this crap
You are the
who is not betting on it. Like way worse. If you were a bookie.
Oh man. But आते हैं अभी मुद्दे पे
yes,
आते हैं भाई.
Mudde. And also England versus dude.
Sorry.
I am just watching
Women's.
Women's
Ah.
India's first two.
Yeah,
T20s.
Smriti Mandhana hit a century. I
Century in the
think,
first
in a
one.
T20, right?
Second one, Jemima and that one more new player. I mean, I don't know new player or not, but
Ah.
she scored a.
Yeah, this sorry random
century.
segue. चकदा एक्सप्रेस को क्या हो गया मूवी को?
Yeah, what the fuck?
अनुष्का शर्मा वाली मूवी.
Please tell us, Antriksh.
Antriksh, you don't know about this?
Cricket and Bollywood ka Mahasangam, Chakda Express.
Chakda Express was supposed to be there. There was a teaser I remember
Yeah, she was. I think,
where
doing
Anushka was
training.
doing a Bengali accent and मेरे को थोड़ा लगा कि प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है ये मूवी.
Cancel हो गया.
कैंसिल हो गया.
Due to combination of factors, primarily fallout between production company and Netflix.
Production company is Anushka, right?
Clean Slate Films.
That's hers only.
That's hers only, and Netflix, the initial
I
streaming
think that's
platform.
hers. Because you can check. I'm not sure about Clean Slates, but usually Anushka तो खुद की movies ही produce करती है.
Clean Slate Films is Anushka and
हाँ.
brother Karnesh.
But the underlying reason is probably वो accent नहीं पकड़ पा रही थी. That's my guess. थोड़ा problem तो था.
Shamik, there's a place for you in case.
I don't think that I'll be in huge trouble if I have to play that role. They'll be like, why didn't you give this to more deserving people?
Yeah.
Maybe a woman.
Play Julanda.
Yeah.
Is Julanda, Julandi.
झूलन दी.
D also you also.
हाँ दी.
अच्छा. Okay.
क्या भाई?
मेरे को नहीं पता.
झूलन दी bro.
Julandi. Okay.
तो झूलन गोस्वामी मूवी is yet to be. It's been red lit, green
Yeah.
lit था अभी red lit हो
हाँ.
गई बंद हो गया.
Okay, now let's skip to the best part. India versus
Crazy
England.
dude. Can we do the whole episode and not address? Because ये जब निकलेगा the test will be on also. So people will be watching this be like भाई अभी एक मैच चल रहा है.
Day 2.
Day 2 है तुम लोग कुछ बोले ही नहीं. हाँ अभी बोलेंगे ना.
अरे तुम लोग crazy नहीं हो मेरे तरह dude. I'm telling you my happiness right now is so through the roof. I can't fucking wait because ये मैच खत्म होता है 10 बजे और इमीडिएटली इंग्लैंड अपना ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्सेस वेस्ट इंडीज शुरू होता है और रात 3 बजे तक चलता है.
परमानेंट तेरा लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम है अभी
Dude.
क्रिकेट परमानेंटली क्रिकेट इज ऑन
कंटिन्यूस खेलते रहो, मुझे अपने फीलिंग्स को नहीं करना है फेस.
बट
Yes.
एजबैस्टन सेकंड टेस्ट एंड क्या लगता है टीम के बारे में ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज द वे वी आर शूटिंग दिस वी विल बी ओपन टू बीइंग एम्बैरेस्ड एज यूजुअल
Yeah.
बिकॉज हो सकता है कि हम टीम गलत बोल रहे हैं अभी
Hmm.
हो सकता है कि whatever अभी predict is not
Is
relevant
100,
at
yeah,
all
yeah, completely.
but जो अभी before day one
12:15
हाँ
PM.
सुनने में आया कि बुमराह may or may not play बस
Yeah.
उतना ही पता है हमें they are not releasing it if बुमराह doesn't play is my worry तुझे क्या लगता है हम 20 wickets कैसे निकाल सकते
बुमराह के साथ नहीं लिए.
हाँ, वही.
क्या अभी बुमराह
maybe he's the problem
Yeah.
he's doing too well and the others are chilling they're like
Yeah.
अरे बुमराह भाई संभाल ले I am only trust on जस्सी भाई अभी नो जस्सी भाई तो कैसे करोगे
भाई 750 इनकमिंग. ये वो होने वाला है.
but I do think that maybe I'm wrong this is vibes से ही होता है मेरा जो भी feeling gut feeling कि when Bumrah is missing Siraj bowls better I feel he sometimes he needs to be
the main.
the main man
I
like
only
the-
believe in
yeah
Mia bhai.
yeah he otherwise he's like second fiddle okay he doesn't take that many wickets you could prove me totally wrong statistically मेरे को ये gut feeling है कि जब भी अच्छा खेला है I remember Siraj being the main man
मेरा
that time.
गट
Bumrah was
फीलिंग ये
injured.
दिखा रहा है कि
हाँ.
टी टाइम होने वाला है
हाँ.
और वहाँ पे जो रूट और हैरी ब्रुक के ग्लव्स पड़े रहेंगे क्योंकि वो लोग 3 सेशन खेल चुके हैं.
एकदम
ये
sweaty
सूख रहे
gloves
हैं और
हाँ.
हम dude if that happens no
oh man
Then-
Edgbaston में हो सकता है 2 स्पिनर ले ले हम
okay
which I
will
don't
be
think
Kuldeep
they won't take Kuldeep I think
so they will take
Because-
Washi.
yeah because अभी बैटिंग में इतना फेल किया हम
हाँ
तो they'll be like Washington ऐड
यार
करेंगे
एक्चुअली
तो
हम हाँ मतलब हम एक्चुअली
second no our tail I mean our top
lower to tail
yeah.
has like collapsed completely
so they'll try to fix the batting I feel
in the lower order
and then the bowling will get hit hard because of that literally and figuratively बहुत मार खाएंगे but
how can this country with 1 billion plus people not produce enough players to fit an 11 का side
the moment our batting starts becoming awesome the bowling is like चलो इस बार हम बैटिंग संभाल लेगा
yeah Indian cricket just teaches you that you can't get everything together
you can't always get what you want
yeah so you
Rolling
gotta
Stones.
fucking just be happy with like individual performances
yeah you have to be like चलो हमने
5 सेंचुरी मारी
हाँ
वाह
भाई।
यार
And
बुमराह को एक 5 विकेट
5 सेंचुरीज मारी और टेस्ट जीते
हाँ।
ठीक है अच्छी बात है 5 सेंचुरी मारी और हारे इट्स अ प्लेस इन हिस्ट्री
Yeah.
कोई और नहीं है ऐसे तो
Yeah.
वी आर मेकिंग हिस्ट्री ना
Hmm.
हिस्ट्री इज व्हाट इट्स ऑल अबाउट
Yeah, we are the only country.
हाँ.
It's insane. In 1929, we've broken 100 years का almost record.
I am तो praying for rain in Edgbaston I know that we have to win one test
Yeah.
but
We have to actually win 2 because if we win 1,
we've lost the
we've lost the previous one.
they have the trophy award
Yeah, I think they have.
क्या
the
बोल रहे हैं
trophy.
अभी तो लास्ट में इंडिया में हुआ होगा
नहीं oh yeah इंडिया में हुआ
India,
yeah we won
अरे
that
भाई,
but no but मैं वो इंडिया वाला में काउंट ही नहीं करता जहाँ पे यशस्वी 800,000 रन बना दिया रहेगा
हाँ बट ट्रॉफी तो रहेगा
हाँ,
भाई
trophy
तू
अपने-
काउंट नहीं करता
हाँ।
बट ट्रॉफी साइकिल तो वही है
but I want to win in England dude like
Yeah.
last time also we played those 3-4 matches in COVID or IPL I
Yes.
don't know what happened
Yes, yeah.
let's say COVID happened
COVID, sure.
and then they went back to play that one-off fucking test
Yeah,
and
where
then
we got
lost
absolutely
And then we lost the
smashed. Then we lost WTC. What a horrible couple of tests we played that time.
and what the fuck has happened to
But
this
Bumrah
team?
hit 35 runs in an over.
Oh, yeah.
So again, we must hold on to only those things.
yeah and even great century by Rahul at Lords
Yeah.
Another great-
That was a match. It looked like at one stage we were
we
in.
won no I think the Lords won no wait
क्या बोल रहे हैं? नहीं, I'm talking about WTC final.
अच्छा WTC final no
Isn't that where Bumrah hit 35 or was it
No,
the
no.
fifth test?
Bumrah hit 35
Oh, that was against England. It was so,
against
yeah.
England.
Stuart Broad. Stuart
Yeah.
Broad, who's
Classic.
now a podcaster himself.
Another guy who's in the record books for
Another Lambu.
35
Yeah.
36
इन लोग अभी इंग्लैंड में थोड़ा ओके आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आजकल में थोड़े बहुत इंग्लैंड के लोग पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं आजकल
हाँ.
ठीक है क्रिकेट में दिस माइकल वॉन एंड एलिस्टर कुक एंड ऑल हैव स्टार्टेड वन पॉडकास्ट स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड का एक पॉडकास्ट है एंड दे ऑल ब्रिंग ऑन इंग्लिश प्लेयर्स
of course
तो अभी
Biased.
जॉर्ज बटलर आया अभी नेबर भी होगा तो बुला लिया उसको
जॉर्ज बटलर वहाँ का है एजबेस्टन क्या
नहीं मेरे को नहीं पता मतलब नेबर मतलब इंग्लैंड में रहता है
एक बहुत अच्छा किसी ने बताया ये
हाँ।
आई थिंक मैकलम ने ही बोला
हाँ
कि इंग्लैंड में बैटिंग करना बहुत मुश्किल है एंड
अच्छा।
ओपनर्स इन जनरल हैव बीन फक्ड अप सो हार्ड
या
that the only two English batsmen
हाँ
who opened for them got and did well, got
हाँ.
knighthood, which is Alistair Cook
Oh.
and Andrew Strauss.
That's so good.
Yeah.
In England, just surviving
In-
till session 2 and session 3 in day
Yeah.
1 is like knighthood
Yeah.
material. But I think since McCullum has taken over and baseball has become a thing, they've changed the pitches slowly
Hmm.
to move away from that. So it's
Hmm.
not the same anymore.
Of course.
And also, I heard ki ye ball bhi it doesn't swing
It's
as
not
much
doing
anymore.
as much as I thought it would.
हाँ, so-
Especially if you see the WTC final, it was doing quite a lot.
Yeah.
Like
But they're saying the Duke's ball now doesn't swing like it used to.
okay.
Whatever, I don't know.
हर रोज नया आता है
हाँ,
यार.
इनका कुछ
मैं
ना
तो
कुछ
देखता हूँ
चलता ही
जैरेड
है.
किम्बर भी कभी-कभी एक चीज बोलता है फिर अगला चीज हो जाता है. It's like statistics
Cricket
keep
is a game
lying,
of
dude.
contradictions.
Yeah.
यार कुछ भी बोलते रहो तुम आज
Quite
थोड़ा-
from the Bhagavad Gita, like contradictions can live together in one. Quite philosophical.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
But sorry, I was saying कि ये English लोग they keep talking about best bowler जब भी बात आता है they'll be like we can't look past Jimmy was the best and I'm like Jimmy Anderson was the swing में तो king है
King,
वो
yeah.
but I think a best bowler of all time में if you want to put someone they have to do it everywhere.
Yeah.
You can't just do it at a home.
And it's
home.
only Glenn Magra.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anyone else.
There's
And
only
Bumrah,
Magra.
of course.
Bumrah is in a different level.
Yeah.
मतलब he will not reach the numbers
Yeah.
because of injuries and all that.
Injuries and in
When he
general, his
started-
pace in the team sometimes is never like, sometimes he won't get the wickets, but then
Yeah.
the opposite end is getting wickets. Same 2019 World Cup,
Yeah.
same happened. But
best average, best economy in everything, it's always Bumrah. You don't even.
yeah.
You can scroll to the records on the right side and scroll down and be like, ये crazy
There is
economy
actually
किसका
one
है?
more.
हाँ.
Scott Boland has a
Oh,
better
yeah.
record currently at least
Yeah?
than Bumrah.
हाँ.
But he's
But वो घर पे खेलता है.
वो खेलता है बाहर भी बट वो कभी कभी खेलता है सिर्फ
Yeah, he's.
उसका
I don't understand how. What a situation you can be in like that. How do you?
you are he's
You are
like
the
a
one
top
of the
bowler,
top bowlers and
like
you're a
he
part-time
fits in-
bowler.
yeah, he fits in any team in the world.
Yeah.
Like even in India, imagine if it was Bumrah and Scott Boland from the other end.
आ जाओ बोलन भाई.
Dude, yeah, दे दे उसको Indian
आ जाओ भाई.
citizenship.
I'm sure he would die for something like that.
Bye, Satish Bhataudekar is our new Scott Boland. That's a new name.
तो क्या लगता है क्या हुआ होगा आज
आज पहले तो
मतलब
11 हाँ 11 क्या होगा मतलब कल क्या हो गया है तुझे
कल
क्या लगता है
Who does predictions about the past? We,
Yeah.
cricket, only cricket.
back in the future and past
Because of when we decide to record our episode. Why can't BCCI program their games according to our schedule? This is my
Yeah.
problem. हमारा podcast हम जब schedule करें, we'll send you the schedule.
exactly
ये शायद थोड़ा adjust करो हाँ?
yeah
हमारा बहुत busy चल रहा है तुम्हारे जैसे खेल कूद के लिए टाइम नहीं है हमारे
exactly
पास.
रोज हम लोग को नहीं है गाड़ी में बैठ के वहाँ
हाँ
नेट्स में
भाई.
चले जाओ एंड ऑल हम लोग टूर करते हैं हमें इंडिगो एयरलाइन में बैठ के शो करना पड़ता है और ये अभी एजबेस्टन में शो भी करने वाला है
Edgbaston, Edinburgh, similar. First दो letter तो same है.
हाँ
देख अगर
playing 11
playing 11.
Yashu
Yes.
and Kelu
Yeah.
okay, this is an ode to Kelu
I have to
yes
son-in-law is killing it finally.
Sai you think he deserves
Yeah,
I
no,
think
we
he
keep
deserves
Sai
a chance,
Sudarshan
right?
in. Yeah, definitely.
Then Shubhu of
Shubman,
course
he can't drop the captain.
then Rishu of course
Yes.
so we know this
So this
five.
5 is guarantee, and these 5 have performed also.
Yeah.
matlab more or less.
Now comes the question marks
Now the early tail begins.
Yeah.
The animal which is half tail.
yeah
I think they will. I don't. I
Karan
think
Nair,
they'll drop.
Gray Nichols,
Karan Nair.
Babar Azam.
They will
He has a
drop.
very Babar Azam type
He
only.
does. I feel they might drop him and take
Okay.
our NKR.
NKR
Hmm.
at 6. Not a bad option actually. Like then you
He
get,
would be at 6, right?
Haan.
Or would he? Yeah, 6.
Okay.
And then 7.
Would be
Washington
Washi?
Sundar. Yeah.
7.
I just have a gut feeling about Washington. He's
Washi
just good
is
for
very
these
good.
situations.
But I feel
but
like
wickets, he needs to
Jaddu-
fucking take wickets.
Chaddu is also not taking wickets. Like
Jaddu's
who
not
which
taking
spinner?
wickets.
उनका स्पिनर भी कहाँ शोएब बशीर कब विकेट लिया जब वो हवा में
That's
मारने
true,
गए.
That's true.
So
उनको भाई अभी स्पिनर होना कितना thankless job है in this series. Like you have
Yeah.
to be like 1 for 106 in 42 overs. ऐसे रहेगा तुम्हारा numbers. And the people be like amazing performance, a real workhorse. Workhorse नहीं बनना है, wicket चाहिए भाई. तो क्या लगता है? Jaddu will also be
So we
there?
are saying 6 is NKR, 7
7
is a Washi.
Washington. I think they will keep Jadeja. They will not drop.
Yeah, but I feel if you're not, no, yeah, actually, yeah, we need one more year, and maybe
And ये
then
सब
we
bad
can
कर लेंगे
go
थोड़ा
into
बहुत.
the tail. But
Yeah.
I do feel like maybe at this point, but we still need a like. I feel Kuldeep can get wickets,
I would love Kuldeep.
but
But you have to then back
and our
that.
tail has
You have to back the other batters कि इन लोग मार देंगे.
So who will we get in? I think Karun might get another chance. I have a feeling.
So if you keep Karun then.
So okay, so wait, 6 is Karun, 7 is NKR,
Okay.
8 is Washi,
Okay.
and then play your 3. 9 is Kuldeep. No, you can't do
क्या
that.
बोल रहा?
Oh,
कितना?
shit.
You have to. So you're dropping Jadeja then, or you're keeping Jadeja.
I'm
Then there's only
dropping-
2 pacers left, right?
Yeah.
And NKR has to do.
इस करुण के बाद NKR आता है 7. तो
हाँ.
अभी अपने पास 4 पोजीशन है. I would take this guy Washi over Jaddu
Okay.
because batting also. I mean, actually both are equal only.
But yeah, whatever, Jadeja didn't do it in the first test.
Yeah, but now we need 3 really good bowlers because if we don't have Bumrah, then we cannot rely on NKR.
So Siraj is guaranteed.
Yeah.
If Bumrah is not there, Arshdeep will come, I think.
You think Arshdeep will? We need an Arshdeep. We need a lefty
कौन
bowler.
आएगा
Okay,
नहीं तो?
Arshdeep.
हाँ.
And then who will be Bumrah?
Who else? Best economy rate, Prasidh Krishna, 6.5.
In fact, someone made a very good point saying that you should give Shardul if you're playing Shardul.
Tupac
Yeah, if you're taking him as what you first decide, is he a batting all-rounder, bowling all-rounder, and give him the ball in the early stages when it's swinging because he can swing the ball.
aura farmer, aura all-rounder. He creates a vibe that
yeah.
people get out on a leg
A
side.
losing vibe.
Somehow he will make sure by the end of the game that you can't fully fault him. Like he'll do
Yeah.
something, you'll be like, अरे कि कर तो दिया, अभी कैसे ड्रॉप
Yeah.
करे इसको.
Hmm.
तो वो 2 विकेट लेके बचा लिया अपने
Plus,
आप
knowing
को.
him, I know he will come back strong with his batting.
Yeah, I think they have some faith in him. I
Man,
think
what
it-
is your 11, man? The first
It's
5,
very
I
tough.
think we are
It's
both
very
the same.
tough. It's very tough. Okay,
I'm confused.
I'm assuming
Number 6.
number 6. I think it will be NKR. They will drop Karuna.
Okay.
And then it will be Washington and Jadeja.
Oh, man.
They will both be there. So
Ah.
2 spinners. And
Yeah.
abhi we have 3 places left, right?
Hmm.
It will be.
I'm also actually agreeing with you now that you
I
say
think
this.
it will be. Fuck this.
See, you have to take Siraj.
I think they will drop.
No, there are 4 places. No, 3 more.
No,
sorry.
no, 3 more.
Ah.
7 हो गया.
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah. NKR, Washi, Jaddu. So
Yeah.
we are at 8.
Yeah,
So we
8.
need 3 more. Siraj is 1.
So then I think I'm dropping
Arshdeep,
Shardul. Yeah.
9.
Prasidh. and
Sorry, 10,
I think I will
and
keep a proper bowler.
You'll keep Prasidh?
I think I'll keep him. I know it's crazy. Many people will say no, but I think he's a bowler and he found it for a few overs. If he can just like give him a second chance, he might be able to
Okay.
figure it
so
out.
we're giving Sai and Prasidh and Karun. No, not Karun. It's not in your team.
Yeah. This
Oh,
is my
man.
guess. It's not. I'm not happy with it. It's
But
just
we
a-
need an Arshdeep, dude. I don't
Yeah, I
understand
think
how a
Arshdeep
lefty
will
bowler
चाहिए.
has to sit out who can also swing the ball.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he has proved himself in white ball.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta give him.
Arshdeep को chance तो देना चाहिए.
Yeah. So I think Arshdeep, Siraj, and you're saying Prasidh.
So what do you think? You agree or who would you change in my?
It's
11?
very-
Give one more so that in case we have more chance ki we get it. sort
Okay,
of
so
right.
if say we take Karun,
Yeah.
I'm also confused. We have 5 more spots now.
हाँ.
So I will go with. Okay.
It's amazing how much time we're spending on this,
On
but
this.
it's already done by
Yeah.
the time this comes out.
Siraj, so of course, well, not here.
Yeah.
I'm saying, okay, यहाँ पे हो गया.
Hmm.
Then Washi. Yaar, Kuldeep, if he could bat.
You
no, it
okay?
would
You
be
go with what you believe in. Kuldeep.
Kuldeep.
ठीक है.
Okay.
फिर.
Siraj,
Okay.
Arshu,
हाँ.
and who is.
I think if they take Kuldeep, they
I
will have
mean-
to keep. They'll keep Shardul as a batting. Like he will add. They won't drop Shardul basically.
Yeah.
And then Prasidh will go, and then we'll be stuck with.
Oh my god.
Again,
what
we're
is
not
this?
taking 20 wickets
Oh my
basically.
god, dude. Yeah, this is so confusing because
Yeah.
अपने पास कोई और bowler भी
Today
नहीं
I understood how tough it is for you selectors.
Yeah, Gambhir.
Respect.
I have respect for Gautam Gambhir.
Basically, our answer is we don't know, and we are hoping Day one में if India is bowling,
Ah.
what since day one will be over when this comes
Yeah.
out, what would you be happy with?
Okay, score. I'll be very happy with 250 for 7.
250 or 7.
Ah.
Also, this might come out where day 2 has started already.
yeah.
Just saying, but 250 or 7 is an amazing number. I would
Yeah.
be shocked with 250 for 7. I
Yeah.
would go with
Or it would be I would say 280 all out. I mean, I would love to see 280 all out, and
Yeah.
then India maybe 31
sub
for
300
1.
all out. I would be very happy.
Yeah.
One, even that you're like one down to ho hi
Yeah, India
jayega.
will be
But-
one down. Either one will give away.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
KL had 2 good innings, so statistically,
और हमने अपने सारे बेस्ट इनिंग्स फर्स्ट मैच में निकाल दिए
हाँ.
एंड वी डिडंट विन दैट गेम सो
Yeah.
दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफिकल्ट ऑल द साइंस आर नेगेटिव राइट
yeah,
नाउ
it'll be one of those a batsman can have one bad innings,
oh
you know,
fuck.
and then
Dude, I can't believe हमने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया इस पे because we have 3-4 more quick things to discuss which we've forgotten.
Let's do that.
But we are hoping India will not be in a terrible position by
Yeah.
day 2. बस इतना ही
Unlike
बोलेंगे.
Yash Dayal, moving on.
यश दयाल पे भी allegations आ गए कि मैरिज में कुछ खराब किया है उसने क्या
Marriage
किया
भी
है?
नहीं थे, पता नहीं उसका dating
हाँ,
है,
he was
marriage है,
sending messages to some DMing some
girl
people
and
कि
giving
बहुत
her
सुंदर
false
लग रही
hope
हो.
of marriage, and I think the
अच्छा.
family made the
Mental
girl
trauma create कर रहा है.
gaslighting. I don't know what
So
exactly.
basically, the mental trauma that Rinku Singh caused him, he is causing to others. And speaking of Rinku Singh, what a segue!
What a segue, man! Natural.
Rec-
He's the education inspector. No, what?
Yeah, he's the
What was that?
education secretary of the world now. नहीं, he's like education minister नहीं.
नहीं, minister नहीं है. मैं बताता हूँ क्या है वो, एक second.
But Rinku Singh basically the Giga Chad has been
Yeah.
first bencher बना दिया है Giga Chad
Giga
को.
Chad apparently is not even बिचारा 7th pass, 9th class dropout.
हाँ.
Is now education officer
He's an education
of
officer.
UP.
That's amazing, dude.
Which I think is overqualification for UP. Oh, Maharashtra
UP
burn!
को
I had to
दिया
give
भाई,
one.
UP को दे दिया
I have to
तूने.
live in Maharashtra. I'm Maharashtrian, so I have to.
Yeah, apparently the easiest way to make it in India to like some high respectable positions is become a professional cricketer.
Yeah, and you
And-
get 70 to 90,000 rupees. It's like
Per month?
Per month.
Dude,
It's a
that's a
big job.
solid amount. I don't think it's anything compared to his IPL contract.
And
but it's,
medical benefits and housing and HRA.
भाई
What is
थोड़ा
HRA? I don't know, but yeah, it is
yeah,
something.
housing के रिलेटेड होता है ना, housing
नहीं, housing
something.
तो अलग लिखा है. HRA क्या होता है?
HRA housing नहीं होता है.
HRA full form house rent allowance.
हाँ वही.
अच्छा, okay.
House rent allowance.
Wow. I
तो-
think it's time he.
I think benefits देख के मुझे लगता है good signing by education
Yeah.
department. Right?
They've retained Rinku.
They've retained Rinku, impact player. Rinku Singh kill कर रहा है and MSD भी kill कर रहा है. MSD IP in chats. MSD का IP हो गया है, trademark कर दिया अपना
Captain
Cool. I feel like I've heard Captain Cool many times before MSD was like even a thing.
Yeah.
Captain Cool is a
It's
term.
like it's a term.
It's just you can say it at any time.
Yeah. What if we say it like, say when I'm playing cricket in my building,
Yeah.
and then I have to GPay him 5 rupees, like Captain Cool बोल दिया तुमने.
But what do you think about this? MSD क्या game खेल रहा है? Why is he?
MSD just comes in the news so random. Like
Yeah.
this came out of nowhere.
Yeah. MSD, we don't know what his next move will be.
Yeah.
He's always like.
What are the other things that other cricketers are going to trademark?
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, this is a
discuss
great
that.
idea.
Yeah.
Little Master, तो Sachin should have
But it
trademarked.
was also Gavaskar was called Little
Sunny
Master.
Ji will not be happy.
There'll be a
Sunny Ji
dispute.
can
out of court settlement will happen.
Sunny Ji can take stupid. Imagine if you can trademark staying stupid
Yeah.
3 times. That would be.
Gautam Gambhir will trademark the number 97. He'll be like कि कोई 97 score भी नहीं कर सकता. Otherwise they have to pay me money. Like you have to go on 96 and then you got to hit a boundary or
Nice.
double or 3 runs.
Solid.
Yeah.
Virat
Virat
क्या?
would be
18, number 18 you can't use only without
number.
Virat
Yeah.
now.
And,
How old are you? You have to say I am Virat now.
yeah.
You can't say 18
I've
anymore.
turned Virat. I can get a driver's license. But Rohit, of course, Garden or Vada Pav. One of the two. What is he trademarking?
दोनों. Can he take 2?
Yeah.
We'll give him Garden.
Garden.
वड़ा पाव थोड़ा
अगर वो दोनों करे तो मतलब मैं शिवाजी पार्क पे वड़ा पाव भी नहीं खा पाऊंगा. लाइक ओह शिट.
मैं रोहित शर्मा खा रहा हूँ. Also that's not how trademarks work, that you say the name of the person. We know that, all right?
Yeah.
हम लोग इतना भी stupid नहीं है.
Yes.
Stupid. 2 बार बोला मैं. तीसरी बार बोला तो सनी भाई आ
को
जाएंगे.
पैसा देना पड़ेगा.
और कौन 1-2 और बोलते हैं ना.
एक दो और सोचते हैं, बाहर वाला भी कोई सोचते हैं. अभी very
बाहर
biased
वाला.
about Indian cricketers.
हाँ यार.
After discussing Sri Lanka, there's also one day starting Sri Lanka, Bangladesh
क्या
at
बोल
2
रहा है?
o'clock 2:30 today.
क्या तूने अभी बोला श्रीलंका के साइमल्टेनियसली वनडे और टेस्ट मैच खेल रहे
टेस्ट
हैं?
खत्म हो गया
Oh,
उनका. 2 टेस्ट अभी 1 डे स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
क्यों खेल रहे हैं उन लोग
एंड
क्रिकेट?
कल क्यों नहीं खेल लिए? कल कुछ नहीं था देखने.
You know
रात को
why?
मैंने देखा इंडिया
You know,
इंग्लैंड.
you are the only guy who pure क्रिकेट की वजह से देख रहा है ये. You
Yeah.
are the only purist here. जो भी other than you, the reality is people are watching. Few people, a handful. They are all betters.
या
Betting के वजह से ही देख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
And they are right now considering how many matches you've named. Someone is going bankrupt in this few days.
Yeah.
And someone is becoming mala mal. But those will be less. The bankruptcy will be much more because the
I-
house always wins.
ओके. लास्ट ट्रेडमार्क
Last trademark एक और बोले क्या?
रवि शास्त्री.
Oh, Ravi Shastri is a great one. Trace a bullet. Trace a bullet.
और द बिग एप्पल.
The big New York, the Big Apple. I don't think Ravi Shastri can trademark New York.
New York, the
I think
Big
New York has trademarked Big Apple. New York versus Ravi Shastri in court.
But
Ravi
okay.
has too many. He has
The-
too many. Navjot Sidhu also has a bunch.
Yeah.
Although I can't remember
रवि
one.
शास्त्री का कोई तो इंटरव्यू देखा जिसमें उसको पूछा आप मीम्स देखते हो? बोला मैं बहुत देखता हूँ. बोला व्हेन आई वाज कोच ऑफ इंडिया उस टाइम पे तो इतने अल्कोहल के बॉटल डालते थे लोग.
Yeah.
और लाइक आई विश ये ड्रेसिंग रूम में होता तो मैं पी पाता.
All I want to say in closing is बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रही है and we are hoping, actually I'm hoping कि Edgbaston में भी हो जाए because we are not going to get 20 wickets is my feeling.
You want a sponsor? छतरी sponsor?
Yeah, we could be
KK
sponsored
umbrella?
by KK umbrellas.
क्यों आजकल नींद कम ख्वाब.
KK is also Kolkata Knight Riders.
Kolkata
Riders
Knight.
is one word I think. So
It
we'll
is.
count it.
KK.
But yeah, you can sponsor us if you'd like, or one more option we had for
Yes.
sponsorship is तू बोल दे.
It is. It is Camphor.
Camphor.
Om Bhakti Bhimseni Camphor Kapoor.
Kapoor Khandan, you
Kapoor,
can sponsor
yeah.
us.
If Ranbir.
Hey,
you wanna
why is
sponsor-
there not a camphor company called Kapoor
Kapoor.
Khandan? That should be a thing.
Startup
Maybe we'll
idea.
start ours.
Yes. Next year Shark Tank.
But until next time, let's hope.
Would you have a prediction?
Oh, prediction! India will destroy England.
Yes. And Bangladesh will destroy Sri Lanka in this first
When
ODI.
I grow up, I will be a pilot. And have you seen this?
No, what is this?
अरे वो पाकिस्तान वाला video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, great!
Yeah, I've seen that.
He will be a pilot. When I grow up, I will be pilot. And I will destroy India.
Destroy India!
I love Pakistan!
I've seen that
All the
video.
craziest videos ever. But
Yeah.
my prediction is, I want to be optimistic. I will say,
England
no, I will
775
say
declare.
that, yeah, England will score a crazy amount of runs, but India will somehow show we will bat well again. And
Yeah.
this time someone will hit a double 100 in our team.
Oh.
And it'll be a
Yashu.
draw test match. This will be the draw.
Wow, you're very
The
optimistic.
one draw. And Baz will be really angry because he hates draws.
Yeah.
So maybe he'll concede the game instead.
Oh, so we'll be 1-1.
They'll go for the win in a clear draw situation. And then we will... it will be 1-1 is my prediction.
Yes. Okay. Yup. I'm saying England 2-0.
Chalo, we've covered all the possibilities.
Yes.
See you next week when we will discuss how right we were.
Yes. Bye-bye.